Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vonda Sharon, and thank you so much for tuning in on today. I know you saw that title and you are ready to learn and hear these 15 tips and tricks to saving money on your summer travel and transportation. Without further ado, number uno, book early. I know you just cannot really if you want to save some money, then you're going to have to book early. You're going to have to plan your trip in advance, book your flight, your accommodations, and transportation early to take up the best deal and prices. Because with this economy, I'm not going to say nobody, but very few of us can just hop up and do something on a whim. It takes planning, strategy, and knowing when and what day and what time to plan and book. Number two, piggybacks off number one, travel off peak. I love to travel off peak. Off peak is like, for an example, it can be cold here in Texas or whatever, and then I go to a tropical island. It's still hot over there, but in Texas it's cold and raining or whatever. But you go like when it's cold and rainy here, but it's still beautiful there because it's a tropical island. So you get to save a bunch of money. I love going on cruises and vacations around October, November, December. Really December and January. December, January, and February. That is when you're going to get your best deal. That's just my opinion. That's when I've gotten the best deal for me and my family, because it's the absolute cheapest. It's the coldest here, but it's the cheapest, and we've gotten really good deals. All right, use fair comparison websites. So what you're going to do is you're going to do some price comparison to see who has the best prices and to see who has the best deals. And now, you know, with the web extension browsers, you can just hop on there and see who has the best deal and take advantage of it. Travel light. Now this is for us women because we like to bring everything plus the kitchen sink. We need 3 million outfits for a 2 or 3 day event. We like all these just in case outfits and what if outfits. I get it. I am a woman too. But in order to not pay extra for luggage and not pay for extra, then we've got to really sit down and plan what we're going to wear and when we're going to wear it, and get our packing cubes out and pack light, tuck and roll, and think less is more. Walk or bike. That's definitely something, because that can definitely help you with your transportation. But be mindful of walking or biking, because with the heat, you definitely want to do that at the early part of the morning or in the evening part. That's definitely going to be good exercise, and it's going to be exciting too, adventurous. Public transportation, like instead of booking an Uber or a cab, you can definitely, catch the train or the public bus, and that will definitely help you save some money too. Stay outside of the city. Like when you are booking for your vacation or your travel, if you stay right there in the city where it's touristy, because I've done that by mistake before, and you pay so much more money. Now, if you go about 15 to 20 miles out, you definitely gonna save some coin because you're not in the touristy area. They know where tourists are gonna travel. They know where we're gonna stay, because we don't know no better. Well, don't know any better. And so that's where the prices are jacked up. But now, after I made the mistake, I know to stay about 15 to 20 minutes out and just catch a cab or an Uber. And I travel during the week, so it's still going to be a cheaper price. What else? This one is a good one. Cook and bring your own meals. A lot of times growing up in my family, I thought it was normal, but my mom always made chicken salad. We had a big tub of chicken salad. She had a cooler. She kept that chicken salad in a cooler, and we always had Lay's potato chips, a bottled water, or an off-brand soda. Back when I was a kid, sodas was a quarter, so we always had whatever off-brand it was. And so we stayed full, and that saved us a lot of money, because now going out to eat for a family is just ridiculously priced. Not to mention the customer service that you're going to get from a lot of these drive-through chains, but I won't get on that. But definitely cook your own meals. Like, you can cook chicken salad, tuna salad, what else, broccoli salad, not broccoli salad, but a chicken rice broccoli salad. Or you can bake something in the oven. That way there, when you get there, you only have to put it in the microwave. But definitely think ahead, plan ahead, because if you're on a budget like the rest of us, we've definitely got to do that. And it's okay. You may have to get up early, put something in the crock pot, and by the time noon comes, it's already ready. Grab it, put it in your to-go Tupperwares or whatever, and take it on the trip. Okay, what's next? Travel rewards program. Definitely sign up for rewards points. I know with certain hotels that I stay in frequently, I've gotten some rewards points, and you definitely can redeem those rewards points, and that will definitely lower your bill too. Definitely look on definitely look on their website, to see how their rewards programs are, and see who has the best one in the area. It really goes back to number one, pre-planning. It's not fun at first. I know it. It's not, but it's gonna make your trip run so much more smoothly, okay? Definitely use discount codes and coupons. Like, if you work for the state or military or government, whomever, AARP, a teacher, nurse, doctor, fireman, ask for those discounts. Take advantage of those. Just ask them, hey, what discounts do you have? Do you have anything for teacher, doctors, nurses, or whatever you may be? You don't know until you try, okay? Be flexible with your dates. Like I mentioned earlier, I travel during the week mainly because it's more affordable. Because once you start putting in those days that you're thinking about going on vacation, and you see the price for Monday through Thursday versus the price for Friday through Sunday, I'll go during the week. Yeah, it's a big price difference, especially if you look online and see it for yourself. All you have to do is go on some websites. I'm not sure where you're going, but go on the websites, start looking around, and you put those dates in there. It's gonna give you like a whole price for the month. So you'll see Sunday through Saturday, and you'll see the price margin. It's definitely hiked up for the weekend. Travel insurance. I'm gonna give you a quick backstory, really quick. I had planned a trip, a vacation, a cruise, of course, because I love cruises. Somehow I ended up not being able to go. Thank God I had gotten the cruise insurance, because I had to really use it. It did take me a little hassle, but I did get my money back quickly. So even though you may think, oh, nothing's gonna happen, this and this, you never know what life's gonna take you and what's gonna happen. So definitely get the cruise insurance. Leave me a comment down below your best travel and transportation hack. I definitely will see you guys down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.